Hello there, this is their technique. We have this BMW X5 today. We have installed an 12-inch screen in the car, but I will show the functions or the usage of the screen, like how you can use the screen, or you can set up the screen for your easy usage. First of all, this is the original menu, OEM menu. So it has the problem with this tires, so we will change it later on. First of all, we have this car info. Here it shows the original menu, like OEM menu. If this menu is not correct, you have to go to the settings. Then you have to go to factory settings. It's 070305. This is the factory code. We have car display. In the car display, you will choose your original screen size. Right now I have the 10-inch original size, 10.25 inches original BMW screen size. That's why I'm connecting this, and the system was NBT. That's why it's NBT. If for example I choose 6.5 inches, I will just show you what's the problem occurs. Here is the car info. It's flashing right now because it has no original or you can say correct display menu. I will go again to select the display again. So 070305. So my car display size is 10 inches, so I will choose 10. If you have a CIC system, you can search here, you can check here. It has CIC, VGA, all these systems are available here. Then here is the canvas protocol. You have to obviously select according to your car. My car has the NBT system, that's why I'm selecting NBT. Here is the mic settings. You can increase the mic gain from here. You can put the custom time, exit time for your back camera. Here you can adjust the seconds. If you will maximize this, so your screen will go back to the normal state after 10 seconds. So I will put this to 0, or I will set it to according to original car agreement. When you will reverse the car, and after reversing you can press the parking button, it will shift back automatically to the normal menu. From here you can select different themes of the car. Here you have Evo, ID5, ID6, ID7, ID8. So right now I'm using ID8. This is the latest that came in 22-inch BMW screens, latest models. Then we have boot logos. From here you can set up the boot logo. Right now I don't have the boot logos in the screen, but you can load. If you need boot logos, you can contact us. We can provide you boot logos as well. You have to copy boot logo in a USB, then you can import from here. It will automatically show in this menu. We have some other settings aux. If your aux is switching automatically, you are selecting the aux from the original menu, and when you are using playing some music and it is shifting from automatic to manual, automatically to some other media channel, then you have to do it for manually. But right now I don't have any option, so it's automatic. If you have a Harman Kardon, you can select Harman. Here we have this knob. iDrive is not working, you can change the iDrive here. We have driver seat position, we have number of doors, we have speedometer. This car is 260, so that's why I have selected 260. Then we have gear type 1, gear type 2, gear type 3. These are 3 gear type settings. Right now it's I have the automatically. It's mostly it works with the gear type 1, but some cars they're manual gears, so you can choose the gears as well. So if you have any problem with gear, sometimes it needs the update as well, we can provide you the update. If you have purchased from somewhere else, you can contact us. Then we have map key selection. It's the map key in the drive, so it is Android navigation. Then we have mode key, it's enabled. We have front speaker enable. You can turn this off as well. Then we have speeds type 1 or 2. We have 2 different speed types. Then we have voice key selections, phone key selection. So collect canvas data. This is for troubleshooting the screen. You don't need to do anything with this. You don't need pretty much all these system settings. Just the some important are not control. This is for 360 aftermarket camera. This mic switch is on built-in. I am using built-in. Display is original radar display, it's normal. So these are the settings that I have chosen for my car. Then we have some other applications. You can turn on the applications from here as well. If you want to use front camera with DVR or camera with the ADAS function, it has a very beautiful ADAS interface that works with this screen. Then we have some equalizer app, 360 app, last remember mode. I will choose this to Android homepage, so it will start from the Android. This is settings for like starting the screen. Then I have like USB DVR. You can choose CVBS DVR, like RCA cable DVR. There are like 2-3 different types of DVR connections. We have Android Bluetooth, we have OEM Bluetooth, so from here you can select. We have amplifiers. I have chosen OEM amplifier, but you can choose aftermarket amplifier as well, because this screen supports aftermarket amplifier cables as well, so it will like provide RC cables on the back. Then we have automatic brightness. This function is like working in Scandinavian countries. Like if you have like DRLs on the daylight with your buttons, so on automatic, so it will turn off the brightness of your screen. Like here I have turned on the lights right now, and it is it has like from here you can see, so it has minimized the brightness. But if I will choose it to automatic, so it will go automatic on the normal mode. You can turn this off as well, so this button or automatic setting will not interfere with this. So there is a brightness setting available here on the top. We have some other settings you can see from here. You can reboot the screen from middle button. Then again, if I will go here we have the camera selections. If your camera is not supporting, so you can change from here. Mostly it works with automatic detection. You can use the manual detection as well. Sometimes automatic detection takes a little bit more time, but we have like all the options. You can use front view mirror setting as well. So there are lots of settings available, you can read. Then we have on the home menu, if I show you, for sound, there is one thing that you have to do. Like on the back of the head unit, you have a fiber optic cable. You have to shift the fiber optic cable first, then you will connect the screen, and on the original menu you will select the aux. Like here I have selected the aux. If the aux is selected and the sound is not coming, in some X5 models, in some CIC models, you need to install a manual cable as well, because on the head unit there is a digital aux, not the cables. So goes with this fiber optic, so you cannot take the aux function. So you have to connect, or you have to install an aux cable with this screen that we provide with all our screens, an aux cable. But in this aux function or this aux cable is not necessary for all the screens or all the cars. It is some models of X5 that we need, like previous model from this, all models needs to install the aux cable, and this model we have not installed any kind of aux. I can show you here. So you can see we have nothing here, and the sound is still working. Then again, first of all, you can see we have the iDrive and everything is working, because we have adjusted its CAN bus or everything. We have the navigation, music, car info, telephone. Right now phone is not connected, but when you will connect the phone here, so all your mobile phone applications will appear with this app. This app is like Z-Link 5. Right now this phone is in the shop, so it is not showing any, but here you can see we have lots of settings. If we tap here, we have like a driver position. It must be on left if you are using your car in the left hand side vehicle. Then the other setting, that mic loop back must be like on none or left, so that works good with the none or left. So if you have a sound problem with CarPlay, you have to turn it on none or left. So here we have it on left, so mostly it works with none. So if you want to use like CarPlay, so this is the CarPlay function. If you want to use like mirroring, so you can tap here. So we have wireless mirroring and wide mirroring, both are available here. So this is the option for using CarPlay. You can add more widgets here. Sometimes this is the speedometer. It shows here like query field like this. This is fixed by using the internet. You need to connect the internet. Right now I don't have any extra mobile phone, but when you will connect the internet with Wi-Fi, and you will come here and you will tap on this weather application, so it will directly locate your location, or you can add manually as well. So it will fix the weather information, and next time rather it's showing query field, it will show you information of weather here. So all the sunny weather, cloudy, everything is available here. Then again, like you can see, my back camera is working here. As I shown you before, back camera settings are here. if we go to system settings, in system settings, here's the back camera selection. I have original back camera, that's why I have chosen OEM back camera. We have aftermarket, 360, Android built-in 360, lots of camera settings you can choose, you can select. For selecting the music app, here is the music app that we have on the home menu. You can choose any kind of app for like pairing this music app. This is the music app and this is the video app, HD video. So from factory it came with these two apps, but you can pair these apps with any kind of app like Spotify or any music app or any video app. Plus we have the camera app selection as well. If we go again on the settings, we have navigation. From here I have chosen Nigo, but you can choose maps as well, Google Maps, both are supported. We have some audio settings. Usually don't need to like adjust lots of settings here. From factory they are already like set up. Then we have some language settings. You can change the language here if your language is not available here, like Swedish. We don't have Swedish interface here, so you have to go to Android. So you can change the language from here. So from here you can adjust the date, time, and language as well. So here is the language input. I will like add the Swedish. I will take the Swedish above. From here you can move the Swedish up and down. Like you can see here we have, like I have selected the Svenska, Swedish. Then we have some other settings, same like on mobile phone, network, internet. You can set up the SIM card as well, but you need to be very careful. It's not easy to insert the SIM card. Sometimes it breaks the SIM jacket or SIM card slot. Then we have like video. If your video is not working while driving, so here is the disable video in motion function, so you can turn this off. Then we have Z-Link, I have shown you earlier. We have some settings that I told you. There are some time settings, Android settings, factory system information is here if you need any kind of update. So here we have like 3 different kind of system updates. You can contact us for like updates or anything you need for update. Then you can you can use these navigations as well. These are for like offline navigation. You can use Google Maps as well for offline. You need to first connect it with the internet, then you have to go to like offline kartor. Here you can välja din egen karta, so it's saying like to select your own map. So you can download map here and you can use Google Map as an offline map. We have this iGo map as well that we offer with our screen, so you can use this iGo navigation as well. So let me check. I need to close just to it. Think we need to set up. It's already set up. So here is the map that works offline, but this is an obviously offline map and for whole Europe, so update for this map doesn't comes readily. But we have like 3D and 2D all kind of views. We are in Malmvägen right now. Here you can see we have some all settings for changing the sound, route preference, skin, regional, language, and guides. Everything is available here. Then this is the home menu. If you have any questions, queries more than this, you can ask us in the description below. I will be happy to answer you. That's the video for today. See you next time. Bye bye.